Successful decluttering begins with deregulating your nervous system. Your body and your mind literally chemically have to know that it's safe to make a change, because your nervous system is there to protect what feels comfortable and normal. And so if you've lived with clutter for a long time, the normal is what you want to change. So you have to let your body and your mind know that it's safe to make changes. And so this is my third tip for involving the body-mind connection, the somatic practices, and that is simply being out in nature. Nature is the great healer. And in my yard, I have things that I look at and I feel, I smell, so that when I need to regulate, when I need to calm, I have a place that I can come. So one of the simple things is just feeling my feet on the ground. It's grounding, but obviously you can't be barefoot all year round. But I come out as often as I can barefooted, and I'm in the grass. I'm just feeling that connection with the earth, that energy that comes up and balances me and helps me know that there are so many things bigger than me, bigger than this thing that's worrying me, that I'm projecting about anxiety, event, future thing. There's so much available to us, so much help, so much encouragement built into nature. And so I feel my body connecting. I feel my feet connecting. I have plants. This is a lamb's ear leaf that's really fuzzy and nice, and it just tactily feels good. It's a good sensation, and it just helps me bring my focus into the current moment. It helps me not project future anxiety. Then another thing that helps is my trees, and this happens to be a ginkgo tree. It's fall, so the leaves are already off, but this is one of my favorite trees. And trees are an amazing stabilizer. Just being next to a tree, I know it's woo-woo, but touching it, talking to it, listening to it. Trees have an amazing power to help us regulate. Even if you don't buy into the woo-woo stuff, if you just think about the natural cycle of trees and the things that they endure, the changes in climate, the changes in water, some years having lots of water, and then maybe there's a drought. All of those things, the tree lives through and adapts and goes through its seasonal changes. It is an amazing example of how something can persist and thrive no matter what's happening in the human world around it. So I love my ginkgo tree. And then the sun is important, just being in the sun. There's obviously physical, chemical reasons. You get vitamin D and things like that, but there's something about, as the earth brings us energy, so does things elemental in the sky. The sun is a powerful encourager to us, and it represents life and power and stability. So just, if you can, come out into nature, even if it's for 1 or 2 minutes every day, and just feel what it presents to you. It's going to be different every time, but I promise you, if you can come out, take the time, rebalance, go back in, you will have a better physiological, mental, emotional platform in order to prepare you to do the project that you want, to make your house, to make your life what you want it to be.